The house is small but cozy. The sun shines through the window. A clock is ticking softly. Mother is sitting on the couch with Lena. Father reads a newspaper. Rafi is on his phone.
Lena, today we have new neighbors.
New neighbors? Who are they, Mom?
I don't know. We will meet them later.
Maybe they have kids.
Maybe. We can invite them to dinner.
Yay! I hope they are nice.
It's a peaceful street with clean sidewalks and trees. A moving truck is parked. People are moving boxes.
Look! There they are.
Let's go and say hello.
Be polite, Lena.
I will, Dad.
Hello. I'm Sarah. This is my husband Tom and my son Jake.
Nice to meet you. I'm Evie. This is my husband Mike. And these are our kids, Rafi and Lena.
Hello, Jake.
Hi, Lena. Nice to meet you.
Simple family dining room, big table with food. Everyone is sitting together.
Jake and his family are very friendly.
Yes, I invited them for dinner tomorrow.
That's cool.
I am happy. I want to play with Jake.
Good. You can show him your toys.
Okay, Mom. Can we eat pizza tomorrow?
Maybe. Let's see.
Next day, Lena's backyard outside, small backyard with grass and flowers. There are chairs and a small table. Evie and Sarah drink tea. Lena and Jake play with toys. Rafi plays football with Tom. Lena is very kind.
Jake is a good boy too. I think they will be good friends.
Yes, I think so too.
Lena, your backyard is fun.
Thank you. Let's play hide and seek.
Okay.
Go get it, Dad.
I'm too old. You go, Rafi.
Evening, Lena's house, living room, sunset outside window. Everyone is tired but happy.
Lena, do you like your new friend?
Yes, Mom. Jake is nice. I want to play again tomorrow.
You can. Friends make life happy.
Yes, Dad. If you like my channel, you can subscribe to watch more videos about my stories. Thank you very much.